Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Elaine Walker-Brown is the new president of the St. Catherine Football Association. Imposed on Sunday, Brown defeated challenger Ricardo Valentine to succeed outgoing President Peter Reid, who did not seek re-election. Walker-Brown, who is currently the chairman of the JFF's Women's Committee, repelled the strong challenge from Ricardo Valentine. A pre-election poll had seen the experienced football administrator and former player trailing, but in the end, she prevailed 41 votes to Valentine's 39 to become only the third woman to head a parish association and St. Catherine's first.
I am very, very elated. I am very happy. The clubs have been saying it. I didn't doubt in it, but I know that I had to put in the hard work. And I'm really happy today. And we have work to do in St. Catherine. And we all have to be clubs, executive, everybody have to come on board now.
In her manifesto, Walker-Brown had promised an improvement in club structure, and she insisted it is among her first order of business.
One of the main things we look at governance, because most of the clubs don't know what governs them. So we seriously have to look at the Constitution.
Following his defeat, Valentine's slate withdrew, clearing the way for Walker-Brown's team to be elected unopposed. But the former vice president pledged his support for the new executive.
Obviously disappointed, but our delegates have spoken. They have decided that the team led by Walker-Brown is the team that they want to lead them in the next 4 years. We accept the ballots of the people and we wish them the best.
Meanwhile, the outgoing president, who had thrown his support behind Valentine, also accepted the will of the delegates.
Firstly, I'd like to say congratulations to Ms. Elaine Walker-Brown for being elected as the first female president of the St. Catherine Football Association, and I wish her and her team the best. The clubs have spoken because, as I said earlier on, and when I speak, we are at the sufferance of the club. So if the clubs figure that they need Ms. Walker-Brown to be president, that's their prerogative, and I support them wholeheartedly in their voting.